A warm welcome, folks. In the vast expanse of our solar system, Mars, the red planet, glows like a fiery jewel, capturing our imagination for centuries. For ages, we thought Mars was a lonely wanderer, but it isn't alone. Mars has two tiny mysterious moons, Phobos and Deimos, fear and dread. Unlike our grand spherical moon, these companions are lumpy, dark, and elusive. Imagine standing on Mars. You'd see a small, fast-moving object, Phobos, or a faint, slower point of light, Deimos, zipping across the sky. Their discovery is a story of cosmic chance and human persistence. Early astronomers wondered, if Earth and Jupiter have moons, why not Mars? The quest to find them became a cosmic detective story, unfolding over decades. Let's journey through space and time to meet these enigmatic travelers. We'll uncover their secrets, explore their strange surfaces, and ask, where did they come from? What can they teach us about our solar system? These moons challenge our expectations and expand our understanding of what a moon can be. They are not just rocks in space, they are keys to the mysteries of Mars and the cosmos. So, come with me as we travel millions of miles, past the asteroid belt, to the rusty surface of Mars. There, in its orbit, we'll meet Phobos and Deimos. We'll explore their origins, their odd shapes, and their cosmic significance. The journey begins now. What secrets do these tiny moons hold? How did they come to orbit the red planet? And what can they reveal about our place in the universe? Let's find out. For years, astronomers searched for moons around Mars, but the sky seemed empty. Phobos and Deimos are so small and dark, they're nearly invisible next to Mars's glare. It was like searching for black pebbles beside a blazing campfire. The breakthrough came in 1877, when Asaph Hall, using the Great Equatorial Telescope in Washington, D.C., refused to give up. Encouraged by his wife Angelina, Hall kept searching. On August 12th, he spotted a faint point of light, Deimos. Days later, while tracking Deimos, he found another, faster-moving object, Phobos. The cosmic game of hide-and-seek was over. Hall had discovered Mars' hidden moons, changing our understanding of the Martian system forever. His persistence proved that the universe rewards curiosity and determination. For all of human history, these worlds were invisible, until one week in 1877. Their discovery reminds us, the cosmos is full of secrets, waiting for those who keep looking. What else might be hiding in plain sight? Sometimes the greatest discoveries are just beyond the edge of what we can see. Hall's story is a testament to the power of perseverance. The Martian moons were found not by luck, but by relentless pursuit. And so, the hidden children of Mars were revealed. When you picture a moon, you might imagine a perfect sphere, but Phobos and Deimos are anything but. Up close, they look like lumpy, misshapen potatoes. They're too small for gravity to shape them into spheres, so they remain irregular, battered relics from the solar system's early days. Phobos, the larger, is just 17 miles across, tiny enough to drive across in half an hour. Its surface is scarred by the massive Stickney crater and covered in dust and grooves. Deimos is even smaller, about 9 miles wide, and smoother, blanketed in fine dust that softens its features. Debris from impacts gently falls back, giving Deimos a blurry, gentle appearance. These moons aren't majestic orbs, they're cosmic leftovers, each with a unique story. Phobos is scarred and battered, a survivor of violence. Deimos is smooth and quiet, a gentle wanderer. They challenge our idea of what a moon should be. In their odd shapes and battered surfaces, they reveal the diversity of our solar system. Sometimes, the most interesting worlds are the strangest ones. Phobos and Deimos are among the darkest objects in the solar system, reflecting almost no sunlight. Their surfaces are rich in carbon, making them as dark as coal. If you stood on Mars, you'd see them as dark shapes gliding across the stars, not shining moons. Their origins remain a mystery. Are they captured asteroids, or the result of a giant impact on Mars? Their nearly circular equatorial orbits suggest they might have formed from debris after a colossal collision. If so, they're not visitors but fragments of Mars itself. Phobos is doomed. Each century it spirals 6 feet closer to Mars. In 50 million years it will either crash into Mars or break apart, forming a ring. Deimos meanwhile is drifting away, destined to escape Mars's gravity. One brother falls inward, the other drifts away, a cosmic drama unfolding over eons. These moons are not just oddities, they're dynamic, evolving worlds. Their fates remind us that nothing in the cosmos is permanent. The story of Phobos and Deimos is still being written. Their mysteries continue to challenge and inspire us. The universe is stranger and more wonderful than we ever imagined. Phobos, whose name means fear, is the closest moon to Mars, just 3,700 miles above the surface. It races around Mars in only 7 hours and 39 minutes, faster than Mars itself rotates. If you stood on Mars, Phobos would rise in the west and set in the east, crossing the sky up to 3 times in a single day. Its surface is dominated by the giant Stickney crater, named after Asaph Hall's wife, Angelina. Radiating from Stickney are grooves, possibly stretch marks from Mars's gravity, or trails left by boulders blasted from Mars. Imagine rocks ejected from Mars, skipping across Phobos like cosmic billiard balls. Phobos is a witness to Martian history, scarred by impacts and shaped by gravity. Its rapid orbit and battered surface make it one of the most dynamic moons in the solar system. Phobos isn't just a moon, it's a record of cosmic violence and motion. Its story is still unfolding. Deimos, meaning dread, is the quieter sibling, calm, slow, and distant. Orbiting 14,500 miles from Mars, it appears as a bright star in the Martian sky. Deimos takes over 30 hours to orbit Mars, moving so slowly it hangs in the sky for days. Its surface is smooth, covered in fine dust that buries most craters. With gravity so weak, a gentle push could send you floating away. Deimos is a world of soft contours and gentle slopes, a stark contrast to Phobos' chaos. Only 2 features are named, the craters Swift and Voltaire, after writers who predicted Mars's moons. Standing on Deimos would be a truly alien experience. Gravity barely there, silence all around. It's a quiet, dusty world, holding its secrets close. Comparing Phobos and Deimos to our moon is like comparing pebbles to a bowling ball. Our moon is vast, over 2,000 miles wide, while Phobos and Deimos are tiny and lumpy. Earth's moon stabilizes our planet and creates tides. Mars' moons are too small to have much effect. The origins differ, too. Our moon likely formed from a giant impact, while Phobos and Deimos might be captured asteroids or debris from a Martian collision. Even their destinies diverge. Our moon drifts away slowly, while Phobos spirals toward destruction and Deimos escapes. These differences reveal the diversity of planetary systems. There isn't just one way to make a moon. The universe experiments with every possibility. Each moon tells a different story, of formation, evolution, and fate. By studying them, we learn how worlds are built and how they change. The Martian moons remind us, the cosmos is full of surprises. Every system is unique, and every moon has a tale to tell. The names Phobos and Deimos come from Greek mythology, sons of Ares, the god of war. Phobos personifies fear, Deimos, dread. When Asaph Hall discovered Mars' moons, it was fitting to name them after the companions of the war god. The suggestion came from Henry Madan, inspired by Homer's Iliad. Literature even predicted their existence. Jonathan Swift and Voltaire wrote about Mars having 2 moons long before their discovery. Did they guess or reason that Mars should have 2 moons, like a cosmic pattern? The names add poetic depth to these tiny worlds. Myth, science, and imagination intertwine in the story of Mars' moons. Sometimes, fiction leads the way for discovery. Why do these tiny moons matter? They're ancient relics, time capsules from the early solar system. Studying them could reveal the building blocks of planets or secrets of Mars' own history. For future explorers, Phobos and Deimos could be stepping stones, easy to land on, perfect for bases or supply depots. Their weak gravity makes them ideal for launching missions deeper into space. They might even contain water ice, the gold of space exploration. Imagine astronauts mining resources, or operating Martian rovers in real time from a base on Phobos. Space agencies are planning missions to unlock their secrets, like Japan's MMX mission. These once hidden worlds are now prime destinations. Even the smallest, darkest corners of our solar system hold grand secrets. The story of Phobos and Deimos is just beginning.